Hello guys, Csgo TV here and welcome to my new tutorial on how to import your custom CSGO sounds. Now first things first, I apologize for my broken English. I'm doing this as I go along. I have no scripts, I have no guidelines. There should be a few pauses like that one where I'm just thinking about what I'm going to say. Second thing is, yes, I heard my old tutorial isn't good, or rather my old method isn't good because it uses cached audio, and since the update, like major update, CSGO uses live stream audio. So that means we're going to have to modify our core CSGO files in order for this to work. Now to do that, we need a program called GCFscape, which we used in our previous tutorial. It's this little pointy nose ass motherfucker right here, and we're gonna need our VPK.EXE. Now VPK.EXE comes in many bin directories of certain games such as Alien Swarm, Team Fortress 2, Portal 2 or Portal 1, I'm not sure. Also Left 4 Dead, not 2, the original one. But if you haven't got any of those installed, I will link a description. I will link like the download link into the description on where you can download this VPK Exporter. It's just a simple little program that packages files into VPK. That is Valve Pack something, I didn't remember. And we're also gonna need our sound that you wanna customize, like put instead of another sound. In this case we have a Minecraft die something, I don't know. And that's basically all we need. So the first step is we need to unpack this thing. So extract it to I don't know, E or something like that. I already done that. It's in my E directory right here. VPK bin, there it is. Don't be confused by the packs that's gonna come in later. So what we wanna have is like this VPK.EXE. The second thing, we need to go and grab ourselves our original pack01 directory, and we do that by going into our directory where our Steam is installed and go to Steam Apps, Common, Counter-Strike, CSGO, and there we should see pack01 directory. Now if we click on that, we're gonna want to extract all of it into our folder where we also extracted our VPK stuff thingy. So in this case, E VPK bin, and there it should be. So once we got that, we're gonna go to sounds and go to the files we want to modify. In this case I'm gonna modify the AK-47 sound. So just rename the custom sound to the sound like so, and copy and paste that into there. I already did that, and I won't in this case. Now we go back, and this is where the tricky thing comes in, because this file is so large. It's like 13 gigs or something like that. Yeah, it is, just trust me on that, if not more. We need to divide our pack. We need to divide our packs into separate files, because the way VPK works is you just can't make a single VPK file because it's so large. So to do that, we can't just drag and drop this file onto the VPK.EXE. That won't work. So in this case we need to use the command prompt. To do that, go to your start, type cmd And here we need to specify the location of our vpk.exe first. So type E in my case and hit enter, and then cd vpk, and then enter again, cd bin, cd bin. Now we're in the bin folder, excuse me. If I can show you, now we are here in the command prompt. And now we need to type vpk.exe. Yeah, typo there. vpk.exe. And now we're targeting this specific application. No, not this one. This one. And now we need to tell it to sort of package all things up. So we're gonna type. We're gonna type space, then M space again, and we're gonna target our folder which needs to be repackaged into VPK. So pack01 underscore directory, and hit enter. And this is gonna take a lot of time because it needs to find all the files, and since all the files accumulate to about 13 gigs of space, it's gonna take quite a while. In my case, it took 20 minutes or so just to find them. Then it needs another 20 minutes to package them all of them up, like so. And this is the end product that you'll be looking at. So all these little packets, as I like to call them, plus an additional pack01 underscore directory that isn't shown here, but it should be like this. The name would be like this, but the I don't know, picture or what you call it should look like this. I'll just cancel this one. So next thing you need to do is, once that finishes up, copy all of it, including the pack01 directory file that looks like this. Copy all of that, and we're going to paste it in place it into our CSGO folder. So go to Steam Apps, Common, Counter-Strike, bin, not bin, CSGO, yeah, here. But before we copy and paste it, we're going to delete all of them. Now I already did that, and you'll be looking at some more of these packets, like the number for you will probably go up to 100 or 130 or so, but that doesn't matter. Just delete all of these numbers plus the directory and paste in the newly made files, and it should look something like this. So we have all the packs with numbers plus our pack01 directory. Now if we open this one, which we made, there should be our sound in there. Weapons, AK-47. This is the one we modified, and there we go. Now all we need to do is boot up CSGO, and let's see how that goes. Okay, so we're gonna select the terrorist and immediately buy the AK, and now it's the moment of truth. And it works, as you can barely hear, because if you want, you can modify the loudness in Audacity of your specific file that you're changing. In my case, it's a little quieter, but it works nonetheless. Now, I must warn you, by using this method on secure back servers on CSGO, you will get a nice vacation, because this right here, this ain't allowed, bro. This ain't allowed. So you will get permaban, and yeah, you're gonna lose all your shit. So do this for like simple videos, for fun things, or if you have your own server, or you just play with friends, that's okay, I think. But just don't do it in like like competitive or stuff like that on official Valve servers, because once again you will get banned, perma-banned, vacation banned. So yeah, if you have any questions, I will be available in my comment section for a little while, and if you have any errors, I will help you out, try to point you in the right directions. Also, if anything isn't completely understood, I'll also like try to help you, and yeah, maybe we can get it all working together. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.